Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today is a very beautiful day, I have to say, and it's also a bit special because I kind of have a date with a girl today. So we're meeting up for the first time and I thought it would be funny if we go riding with the buggy. So that's what we're gonna do today. Gonna go slide the buggy and she's gonna be passenger. Maybe I can teach her how to drift a little bit. And of course I'm going to take you guys with me, so she's prepared for that and she's cool with it, which is perfect, I guess. And yeah, it might be a bit awkward for me, but who knows, maybe it's fun, we'll see. So I'm gonna drive back where the buggy is located right now, pick up the buggy, then pick up her, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll take you guys with me and we'll see each other in a minute. So see you guys.
Ah, yeah. There it is. Man, I haven't seen this thing in months. Some spider webs in here, but I think it should be good. Let's put this here. I hope it has battery. We'll find out. Would be awkward if it didn't. Please have battery. Oh baby. So I don't know how cold it's going to be. That's why I'm wearing a jacket and a hat. Let's go. I really miss this buggy, I have to say. It's a lot of fun. I just hope that you can understand me because it might be quite loud in here. So yeah, now we wait for a date. I'm a bit nervous, I have to say. I hope she likes it. I don't want to know where these spiders all went. Yep, okay, I guess I found my answer. Oh. There's another spider. Oh, there she is. So by the way, Isabella, she's my passenger for today. It's so loud in here, we can't even talk. Perfect. You like it? Ready? Wild?
Ja.
Okay. Aber gut.
Ja.
Perfekt, perfekt. Na, nicht schon wieder. Der Keilriemen ist gerissen. Na, oh Alter. Nicht hier. So nervig. Warte. Na gut, okay.
Was gibt's denn?
Ja. Best date ever. So this happens quite often with canam. And the problem is that the belt here snapped. Okay, welcome to mechanic lessons with Schaefchen. If you have a canam, the belt is not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be in one piece.
Ich muss noch sagen, was wir jetzt machen müssen.
If this ever happens to you, you need to make sure you have this nut with you, which I don't have. That's why we're waiting for some friends right now. And you also need to make sure you remove all of this shit, which doesn't really work when you don't have this nut. But I try my best anyway. And then we wait for our friends to come help us, hopefully. I hope it's not going to rain. Still waiting. We're waiting for Patrick. If you don't know who Patrick is the guy who crashed his go-kart into my Raptor a few months ago. And he's coming to help us today. Hey!
Rescue Team is on. Du musst mit dem rechnen, dass das öfter passiert.
Let's see. Let's continue our date. Okay, we made it to the top. Yeah, I think we need some outside shots and then it's your turn to drive. How do you like it so far?
It's very nice.
So it's your turn now. Also, by the way, if you go on dates with me, you get the full Schaefchen merch package. Doing a good job. Okay, also du musst eigentlich nur ganz einlenken und dann aufs Gas steigen. Und zwar relativ stark. Stückst mal aufs Gas und aber voll. Ja! Ja! my job here is done. I taught her how to do donuts at least a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna drive back home now. I don't know. I hope you guys have fun watching the video, and yeah.